Hi guys, today I will show you how to activate LED notifications on your iPhone. So at first you need to reach Settings, then find and select Accessibility, and now scroll all the way down. Here you will notice Audio and Visual. Smoothly click on it to access this feature, and now you will notice LED flash for alerts. So if you wish to activate LED notifications, just mark this switcher, and then you can also manage it for your silent panel. So if you wish to have flash active on silent, leave it this way, and if you want to deactivate it, smoothly unmark this switcher. And this is it. This is how you can activate the LED notifications. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.